this video I'll be telling about how to find hybridization on carbon atom. So the trick is to remember only the sigma bonds. So how do we actually remember this hybridization? Means trick is only to remember the sigma bonds. Okay. So for example, if a carbon atom is attached to 4 sigma bonds, means it is sp3. If it is 3 sigma bonds, it is sp2. If it is 2 sigma bonds, sp. And if you don't know how to find the sigma bonds in a structure, means do watch my previous video. I have done a video on it. So if there is a 4 sigma bonds, sp3. If there is a 3 sigma bonds, sp2. If there is a 2 sigma bonds, it is sp. So let me do one question. So in the first question, here how many sigma bonds are there? We need to calculate for first carbon atoms. So there is 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds are attached. So it is sp2. Here in this carbon also the same 1, 2 and 3. 3 sigma bonds are attached. So for this common the hybridization is sp2. The next question also same thing. We need to calculate the number of sigma bonds. For this carbon the number of sigma bonds is 1 and 2. Only this part 1 and 2. So for this carbon here 1 and this 2. So the hybridization for the first carbon is sp and for the second is sp. Okay. For the third question as well, for the first carbon the number of sigma bonds is 1, 2, 3 and it is 4. So if it is 4, it is sp3. For the second carbon, how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. If there is a 3 sigma bonds, it is sp2. And for this carbon as well, we will see that is 1, 2, 3. If there is 3 sigma bonds, it is sp2. Let me come to the fourth question. Here this is sp3. Though the number of sigma bonds is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this the number of sigma bonds is 2. Here 1 and here it is 2. So the number of sigma bonds is 2. It is sp. Here also same, the number of sigma bonds is 3. It is sp2. Here also the number of sigma bonds is 3. It is sp2. The number of sigma bonds is 2 for this 1 and it is 2, this one. So it is sp. Here also the number of sigma bonds is 1 and it is 2. So it is sp. And for this as well, the number of sigma bonds attached is 4 here. So sp3. And for this carbon as well, the number of sigma bonds is 1, 2, 3. So it is sp2. So the number of sigma bonds for this carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is sp3. So this is actual way to find the hybridization. So how do actually I solve the hybridization question? I will just tell you. I hope it works out for all the problem. So do check it out for some problems as well. Like how I actually do